Trying to get this thing running. It's only been sitting 18 years. I got faith in it. It's a Volkswagen, so... Alright, so our next project that we're saving is this 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit. Is this a sport coupe?
Street coupe.
Street coupe. Okay, it's a street coupe diesel. And it's been sitting for at least 15 years. And we're going to go through some wiring on it and throw some fuel in it and see if we can get this thing to start. So we'll keep you guys updated on what all I fix, change, and what happens. Alrighty, and I'm just going through the body harness, it looks like here, and just gonna go through, fix everything with the crack in it, replace the good wire. I'm gonna rewrap everything back up with some harness tape, and cross our fingers, and we'll try and start it after we get some fuel primed into here. Alrighty, come over here, see what I did. We got all new ground cable, all nicely hooked up. Went through and made sure these were good. All these have been redone. This has still been soaking. Obviously this is a huge hole. We'll worry about that later. We're just trying to get this thing running. It's only been sitting 18 years. I got faith in it. It's a Volkswagen, so I'm pretty sure they'll last forever. I'm not sure. That's just what I heard. So we're about to prime it again and try and fire it up for you guys. So wish us luck. Alrighty, so what we're doing now is we're just priming the diesel pump since it's sat for a long time. And just after just a few pumps, you can already see the diesel flowing through the lines. Just straight flowing. So we're gonna do this until we know it's flowing all the way through. And then we're gonna give this thing a go. Alright, let's try it. Keep on cranking there, Skippy. It's moving. Alright, hang on. Too much fuel. Keep turning it. Leave the throttle shut. Alright, let's try it again. Just shut up and go. Yeah, that's called ignition. That's what your compression sounds like. Come on, go. fucking freezing out here. Okay, well, you guys missed it, but after a little bit of priming and shit, we got this thing running. That's hilarious. It's been sitting 15 years. That's awesome. Alright, it's still going. It sat for 17 years and it's still just running along. That's crazy. And I can literally fix anything. Oh. Fix this in about maybe 2-3 hours time. A little bit of wiring. Alright, let's see. Let's throw those back on and we're gonna put the old thingamajob to the test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's awesome. How fucking old? I mean flipping old. That's great, huh? So that was a very successful day. In about 2 hours we made this rabbit that has not ran in 15 to 18 years obviously run and start right up again. That's how awesome old VWs are. They just never die. They just only get lower and slower.